Firth floor range TR60, 80 and R51 are among the top runners in the market for floor deck performance. Fully supported by RMD Profiles. You get professional layout drawings done for your site teams, or we can send our site team in to complete install ready for mesh and concrete by you, or we can do that bit as well. Or you tell us what you need, we'll quantify and send you a quote for a simple schedule for supply only. Delivered fast from our stockyards within 24 hours to 5 days max. Our flexible services mean you have control over costs and workload. You are specifying a floor profile, please contact us and we can complete site-specific calcs to get the slab to where you need it to be in terms of strength, acoustic values, span or slab depth, composite design, whatever the criteria. I'm confident we can put forward a profile that will work for you.